November 11th to 13th, 2025. We Guangzhou SIPUXIN Equipment Co., Ltd. participated. Asia Pacific Beauty Fair held in Hong Kong. As an Asia Pacific region, the most influential beauty industry event, this exhibition brings together the world's top brands, manufacturers and industry experts, provided our company with valuable brand exposure and business development platform. Vacuum emulsifier as our flagship product received unprecedented attention at the exhibition. Beauty OEMs from Europe. Intelligent control systems have shown great interest. A European customer said on the spot, "That level of automation, just what we need to build our new factory. That level of automation, just what we need to build our new factory." At the same time, many professional visitors suggested that we further optimize equipment cleaning verification system, adapted to stricter GMP requirements. At the same time, many professional visitors suggested that we further optimize equipment cleaning verification system, adapted to stricter GMP requirements. In the field of personal cleaning and home care products, our night attack mixing pots and matching tank systems, with excellent cost performance, attracted the attention of a large number of customers in Southeast Asia. An emerging healthcare brand in Malaysia. Feedback from the person in charge. Your equipment is under the same capacity. Prices are 25% lower than those of European brands, and the key performance indicators are no less. However, many customers also pointed out that equipment design can be more modernized to match high-end brand perception needs. Live demonstration of a fully automatic filling line. It attracted even more onlookers. Its modular design and fast field switching capabilities, especially suitable for small batches at the moment. Multi-variety market trends. By comparing with peers, European brands still dominate the high-end market, but its price remains high. Domestic competitors are more intense in price competition. However, there is still a gap in terms of technological innovation and stability. Japanese companies continue to maintain an advantage in energy conservation and refinement. This prompts us. Further breakthroughs are needed in energy efficiency metrics. Japanese companies continue to maintain an advantage in energy conservation and refinement. This prompts us. Further breakthroughs are needed in energy efficiency metrics. This Asia Pacific Beauty Show not only brings us direct business opportunities, more importantly, it provides us with a pulse market, a valuable opportunity